Hello there, this is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento's YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the interior of the 2024 Jayco Whitehawk 27RB. This is actually one of my favorite layouts. First of all, it's a rear bath model, but it's also one of my favorite floor plans, period. This is the 27RB Whitehawk. This is really a super layout for a couple's trailer, but it could be a family trailer as well. I just want to walk you through it here, so right away you just notice how big and open the floor plan is. The highlight of this is the bathroom in the rear. Of course, you have a larger bathroom area with huge countertops and sink, and then a medicine cabinet. Medicine cabinet really goes very deep. There's an outside kitchen on the other side, hence the depth of the medicine cabinet. Then you have a good sized shower area, just really a big bathroom, so for any kind of changing or anything. Then the living room part of the trailer is, I love these freestanding table with the chairs. So if you want to sit and have dinner or have breakfast or play cards, you can do whatever there. The table does expand in that it lifts up. You can use it for storage. But you could spread those chairs out a little bit further, of course. Love this corner pantry, great use of space. You have coat hangers, lots of cabinets. The cabinets are removable, so you can customize this to the various sizes you would like. Of course, your theater seating over here. This is really a great, comfortable chair to sit in. As you can see, it's directly across from the fireplace, the TV, and the Bluetooth soundbar. Just really a comfortable setting at the end of the day if you want to sit and relax and watch some TV or a movie. Looking at the kitchen, lots of counter space again, double sink, gooseneck faucet, of course your USB charging port that comes up, plus the charging on top. You have your Furrion stove and oven. Really very efficient system. Your microwave. This unit does come with Overlander solar, which is a one solar panel. Basically, you're running a 12-volt refrigerator, which is what this is right here. So the solar keeps your battery charged, and if you wanted to leave your refrigerator on, you could keep it perpetually cold. Very nice setup that way. You have the kitchen skylight as well, which provides a lot of light in the kitchen. And close it off at night or leave it open. You have a fan that really provides some good circulation in the trailer. Upgraded speakers to provide great sound within and also outside the trailer. And headed into the bedroom, I think I saved maybe the best for last. You have the automobile front window, nice sized bed with decent counter space. All the little details here. USB chargers, electrical port if you have a CPAP. You have a second door for exit or entry out of the master bedroom. And then in the closet, look at all the space you have in here. All these drawers. These are deep drawers too. Look at that. Wow. Again, the shelves are removable. So if you wanted to customize and put clothes up there, hang coats, you could. This unit's wired for a rear observation camera safety system. Could add a second TV in here. Here's your solar amp controller. Solar is pretty much let it go. You don't have to worry about anything. I do recommend probably a 100 amp hour lithium battery though for a good battery system. So this is the 27RB, and again, this is perhaps my favorite floor plan. It's one of our best sellers. Couples definitely like it as far as all the features that it has, and